Are you looking for Christmas presents for your family and friends? Homemade fruit jam in jars are amazing food gifts that are sure to please everyone.
Let's cut the pineapples. Remove the pineapple's core because it's very hard and it's not as sweet as the rest of the pineapple. Chop finely the pineapples. Okay, transfer it to a bowl. Using a medium saucepan, turn on the heat to medium. Add the pineapples. And water. Cook it for 20 minutes or until the pineapples are soft. Add the sugar and mix it until the sugar is dissolved.
Add a cinnamon powder. Now, if you're not a big fan of the cinnamon, you have the freedom not to add cinnamon. Lemon juice. And continue to cook it for another 30 to 40 minutes or until the jam is thickened. And make sure you mix it from time to time to prevent the bottom from burning. Okay, my pineapple jam is looking really good. So I simmered it for almost 50 minutes because when you cook your pineapple jam, the pineapple should be really soft and translucent like this. Turn up the heat and cool it down until it reaches room temperature. Before we transfer our pineapple jam into the jars, it's very important to sterilize your jars to prolong the shelf life and for sanitation. I thoroughly wash the jars and the lids with soap and water. Transfer the jars into the baking tray and make sure they don't touch each other. I preheated the oven a while ago to 200 degrees Celsius. And heat it in the oven for 10 minutes. Sterilize the lids as well in boiling water for 5 minutes. transfer it to a dishcloth. Let the jars and the lids cool down to room temperature. Now it's time to fill the jars with pineapple jam. Okay, cover it with lid. I'm going to decorate it with paper wrapper and some string. So for 2 pineapples, I was able to make 2 jars of pineapple jam. Now here's our homemade pineapple jam.